mountains, plains, hills. Our solid footprints can be found everywhere. Forklifts, tow tractors, flatbed trucks. Duhow's effort can be seen all over the place. Ingenuity, brand and excellence are our unremitting pursuit. Adhering to the industry-deep cultivation of the main industry, steady progress and winning with excellence are our constant commitment. 10 years of sticking to the right path and improving our quality. Pursuing dream of the future. In 2011, Jiangsu Duhow Rubber Company Limited was established. Currently, the company covers an area of more than 380 acres, with more than 1,300 employees, and over 120 professional and technical personnel. Off-the-road tires, special tires, and the mixing center. It is the only authorized manufacturer of the double coin brand's full range of Tylenoid tires, such as Yamaha, Forland and Wuzhen. Duhow conforms to the standard ISO 9001:2015 in Quality Management System, received the ISO 14000 Environmental Management System certification, and National 3C compulsory certification. IIS products sell well at home and abroad. The users are able to rest assured, and the customers are satisfied. After 10 years of leapfrog development, the company has become the relatively influential backbone. It is mainly engaged in the research and development and manufacturing. It owns a number of tire design and manufacturing patents, and the production capacity of an annual output of 3 million sets of industrial tires, 10 million sets of motorcycle tires, 25 million sets of cycle tires. The company has entered into a long-term strategic partnership with Shanghai Tire Rubber Group Company Limited, was operationally profitable in 2016, and the products of the second phase has been officially put into operation. In September 2019, the tires of the company are suitable for all kinds of industrial vehicles such as forklifts, flatbed trucks, etc. Its gold proportion pattern design is with good dynamic anti-slip and is energy driving. Its high-quality natural rubber formula design has good wear resistance, and its ultra-wide driving surface, deepened design of the wear layer makes it has a good service life.